name is Aimee. I'm 18 years old and I live in Cafodd in Denbighshire in a supported accommodation. I have had support from the youth service for 5 years, if not longer. The youth work has helped me in so many ways because while I was struggling, giving up on life and feeling like there's nothing going for me, they helped me come out of that dark place and brought me back to myself. They helped me with my confidence, make friends, social skills, getting out the house. I was living in a toxic household. Every time I didn't feel safe, I would sofa surf around friends and family houses. Having nowhere to call home, they got me out. See, I can't do it. Having nowhere to call home, they got me out of the toxic household and helped me get my own place I could actually call home. I have worked with lots of services and professionals, but the youth service has been the only consistent one who has supported every step of the way. And this is why youth work is so important.